सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल रैंडम व्यूज़ को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। Hi guys, welcome to Random Views, and today's video is about how to use WhatsApp on your computer. So let's get started. There are two ways to do that. First is open your computer and type WhatsApp web in the search bar and press enter. When you do that, the page will open with Google search. Click on the first link shown to you. When you do that, a page will open up with a QR code and some instructions. I will show you why you have to do that. What is the purpose of this page? As you can see that the QR code and some instructions are saying open your WhatsApp on your phone. So let's get started how to do it. Go to your phone and open WhatsApp. When you do that, click on the three dots on the top right side in your Android phone and click on WhatsApp web. Here it will show you how to do it or what is the purpose. Click on OK Get and point the camera towards the monitor, and you can see that it is connected on your phone as well as on your computer. It's asking you to keep your phone connected with the internet so that you can receive messages. There's a small link saying you can download it, so let's download it. And here's the page is saying that you can download WhatsApp, so we can download WhatsApp. It's saying it's about 139 MB, so let's give it a try. I will skip the downloading parts and show you what it does, but you have to understand that WhatsApp isn't available for computer directly, so no matter what you do, you have to download and use and keep the phone and computer both connected so you can use WhatsApp on your computer. As the program is downloaded, I will open it and run it. Well, the downloading is done and now I have opened the app. It will get installed soon, so let's wait till it is installed in my computer. I am saying again that you have to keep your phone and the internet connected so that you can use WhatsApp on your computer through the browser. Now let's see that it apps works on something or not. So let's wait till the WhatsApp install in my computer, and then we will try to run it and see if it is actual app or it's just like WhatsApp app or not. Well, WhatsApp had done installing and it will run right now, so there you can see that it is just like WhatsApp web without the browser. So if you want to use your internet WhatsApp without the browser, I recommend you download the app and just use it so that it will be easy for you to do it. I'm just showing you what to do now. It is just like the same thing you did in the first place. Go to your and then click on WhatsApp web. Then it will get scanned, and the scanning, after the scanning is done, you can use WhatsApp either on your phone or your computer, both, and it both needs to be connected. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.